Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Avocado chickpea toast. Flavorful and healthy choice, easy to make for an afternoon snack or breakfast. Simple and quick recipe. This recipe will serve 2 to 4. I am ready to make avocado chickpea toast. Add all the ingredients in the bowl and mix it. It is so simple. I am using 1.5 cup of boiled chickpeas. You can use canned chickpeas. The texture is different. As you see, boiled chickpeas are very soft and canned chickpeas are not this soft. So when you mash it, it will not become as creamy. So here I have 1.5 cup of chickpeas. So I'm going to mash it using the fork, or you can use the potato masher. Chickpeas should be roughly mashed. If you have some whole chickpeas, that is okay. So this is just looking right. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon finely sliced green chilies, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and mix it well. Now the most important ingredient, avocado. Avocado has a tendency to change the color. I add the avocado just before I am ready to serve to retain the beautiful green color. So just slice it in the center and remove the seed. This avocado is looking very good. It's just ripe. It shouldn't be raw and it shouldn't be overripe. Now mash the avocado with chickpeas. That's how simple it is. Now this is the time to taste the dip and adjust to your taste if you need some more salt, green chilies or lime juice. For me this is just right. Okay, and now I am ready to put this on toast. Here I have 4 slices of toasted French bread. I like the French bread, but you can use any bread to your choice. So I am going to spread the avocado. Spread it generously. If you don't like very hot, you can remove the seeds from the green chilies when you are slicing. It's looking really nice. I do have some mix left, so you can make more toasts. I'm going to garnish this balsamic glaze. If you don't have the glaze, you can use the balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to use some shredded radish. It gives the nice crunch and nice color. Okay, I am ready to serve avocado toast. Avocado chickpea toast looks amazing and they taste delicious. This is one of the favorite snacks with my family, especially with my granddaughter. Enjoy. If you like the recipe, share the video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Also click the bell icon and leave comment and suggestions. Thank you.